Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with Drive open and the account that holds your photos. This matters because files sync across services only when accounts match. First, enable backup and sync or install Drive for desktop so you can drag folders from your computer. Once done, organize a local folder named Photos to keep things tidy. Make sure you have available storage. Otherwise, uploads will stall. You'll upload from mobile or desktop next. Proceed now to transfer the files. You'll upload by dragging folders into Drive, or choosing New then File Upload or Folder Upload. This preserves folder structure for easier sorting. While uploading, rename files to a consistent pattern like YIMMDD event so searches become reliable. If you have hike files from iPhone, convert them to JPG beforehand or use Drive for desktop, which can handle conversions. This prevents compatibility issues on other devices. Once uploads finish, create folders and move photos into albums to streamline retrieval later. You're at the finish line. Set sharing permissions on folders or single photos so recipients get the right access. Viewer prevents accidental edits, editor allows collaboration. Next, enable offline access in Drive or copy your photos folder to another cloud account as a backup, because redundancy protects against single points of failure. If an upload stalls, check that you have enough storage, a stable internet connection, and that files are under Drive's side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.